In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dot pattern in Figma. Creating a custom dot pattern in Figma can be a fantastic way to add visual texture, depth, or a subtle background element to your designs. It's a versatile technique, whether you're working on UI elements, illustrations, or just looking to add some flair. Let's dive in and walk through the simple steps to achieve this effect. To begin, you'll first want to activate the pen tool. You can find this tool in your Figma toolbar, usually represented by a small pen icon. Once selected, use the pen tool to draw a line or a shape on your canvas. This line will serve as the foundation for your dot pattern. Think of it as the path along which your dots will be distributed. For a simple demonstration, a straight horizontal or vertical line works perfectly, but feel free to experiment with curves or more complex paths as you get comfortable. Just ensure you have a path selected before moving to the next step. Next, with your newly drawn line still selected, we need to adjust its weight. You'll find the Stroke section in the Properties panel on the right-hand side of your Figma interface. The Weight field dictates the thickness of your line. Go ahead and increase this value. As you adjust it, you'll notice the line getting thicker. This weight will directly influence the size of your dots later on, so choose a thickness that aligns with the desired appearance of your pattern. A good starting point might be around 8 to 12 pixels, but you can always fine-tune it. Now, we need to access the advanced stroke settings. Within the same Stroke section in the Properties panel, look for a small icon or a drop-down menu that usually indicates more options for stroke customization. Click on this to reveal the advanced settings. This is where we unlock the capability to transform our solid line into a dotted one. Once the advanced stroke settings are open, your next step is to change the style of the stroke from solid to dashed. You'll typically find a style option here, which defaults to solid. Select dashed from the available choices. As soon as you do this, you'll immediately see your continuous line transform into a series of dashes. This is a significant visual change and brings us much closer to our goal. Finally, we'll adjust the dash and gap values to form a small dot pattern. Within those advanced stroke settings, you'll now see fields for dash and gap. To create perfect circular dots, here's a crucial tip. Set your cap option to round. This ensures the ends of your dashes are rounded, turning them into proper circles when they are small enough. Then, for the dash value, enter a very small number, like 1 or even 0. A dash value of 1 will create tiny squares if the cap is not set to round, or small circles when it is. The gap value determines the spacing between these dots. For instance, try setting dash to 1 and gap to 10 or 20. Experiment with these numbers. A smaller dash value combined with a larger gap will result in smaller, more spaced-out dots, while a larger dash value or smaller gap will make the dots bigger or closer together. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a customizable dot pattern in Figma. You can now duplicate this path, rotate it, or combine multiple paths to build even more complex and interesting dot patterns for your designs.